In this video, I will show you how to make video black and white. We have a colored video clip here. To make this black and white, adjust the color through Lumetri Color. To open Lumetri Color window, go to Window and enable Lumetri Color. To make the clip black and white, adjust the saturation, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. The intensity of the black and white effect depends on your adjustments. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!